Alright, moving away from the 486 for a minute because I am terrified of doing anything to it. The corrosion on the motherboard absolutely horrifies me. The video card and the controller card replacements are on their way to me. I probably won't get them until next week. I would like to try them in the 486 just so I have some sort of a working baseline on what it can or cannot do with those components replaced before I start getting into the battery corrosion, taking off that horrible barrel battery, seeing if that ISA slot can be whatsoever salvaged or if it is just destroyed or whatever. But anyway, so tower is, yeah, like I said, on hold for a moment, but something I just realized is that I've literally never once seen what this thing looks like on the inside since I picked it up, and I should probably find out. So I'm gonna open up the Epson, and if I'm lucky enough to find an ISA slot in there, maybe I'll throw that postcard in it. Alrighty, back plate is removed, screws are out, little pop-off covers are done. I know this is all on carpet and it's the worst thing in the world. I'm going to bring a mat up here at some point, but I'm not really doing anything electrically, like, dangerous, so, whatever. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Figure out how to take the cover off. There we go. Alright. Neat. That's just the condition of the... Oh, is that an 18650 battery? That's amazing. This thing has a better battery than the... Man. 46 battery is infuriating, isn't it? Wow. That is a... So that's definitely not ISA. Interesting. Look at the size of that speaker. It's not even like a normal ribbon cable. They're like individual. This thing is so old. It's amazing. Look at that weird bus. Yeah, I don't know that this thing's ever going to turn on again, but it's neat to look at. Alright, well, nuts to that, because I just got the email notification from eBay that my VGA card has arrived kind of early, and I am super impatient, so let's make sure this thing works. Quite literally the definition of a drop-in replacement. Old card, new card. Get that all ready. Let's see if it made a difference. Plug in the monitor first. Okay, now let's see if that made a difference. Cross your fingers. Green. Really? What's the deal? Maybe my video card wasn't the problem? Because that's still really dim. I'm gonna be furious if it is the monitor doing something stupid. Alright, I swear if this works, I'm gonna be... I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be... I don't know, confused? Well, that's sure much more visible. Lucas, why are you always right, man? It was the monitor. Maybe. If the other video card works, it was the monitor. Alright, old VGA card's back in there again. It was admittedly much dimmer than the monitor should have been, even though it was much brighter than the CRT. And the CRT displayed fine for the 8088. Like, look at the difference in brightness between... you probably can't see it on camera, it's gone anyway, but like... Sorry for the glare. Well, now I don't know what to think because like it's really dim in like uh, I mean it's very visible on a CRT on a LCD. On a CRT it was almost invisible. So I'm not sure what that means is actually not good. I don't know if it's a capacitor somewhere or wow, focus please. There you go. I don't know if it's a capacitor somewhere or like it's somewhere in the power supply or if it's because of the motherboard eating itself. But oh well, at least I have a spare graphics card now. Awesome.